Hey everybody, Patrick at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So today I'm going to talk to you about my favorite beard cream or alleviate beard conditioner, whatever you want to call it. And it's from a brand called Always Bearded, which is a Canadian company. And they make a full line of beard care products, but they have two different scents. And this one here is the eucalyptus and lime distilled in pine scotch scented beard cream. So there's another one that's bergamot and ylang as well, and that one also smells good, but this one's my favorite. I always love eucalyptus and lime, really fresh and invigorating. So when would you use something like this? I personally think that this is a very good staple for any beard. So basically after you shower, after you wash your face, beginning of the day, even if you don't shower or whatever, you can take a little bit of this, massage it into the beard, right down to the skin. It's gonna prevent your beard from getting dry and flaky and itchy, especially when you're getting a new beard, you deal with a lot of beard itch. So that's gonna prevent that and help to alleviate that. It's gonna keep the skin really moisturized underneath, your beard smelling fresh, and it's got a lot of really good ingredients. So one of the ingredients is hemp seed oil. So hemp seed oil is one of the driest natural oils that you can find. So it's basically really matte. It's gonna absorb right into the skin, not making your skin feel greasy or anything like that. So this cream goes right into your beard and it's not gonna be all shiny like an oil typically would, which is why I think it's a good staple. So if you don't like using oils, this is a good way to take care of your beard without having to deal with that. And then it also has Canadian Abyssinian oil. So that isn't a good alternative to argan oil, which is derived from nuts. So this is coming from a seed again. So this is gonna help to keep the beard hair nice and soft, keep the skin moisturized, and get rid of any dry skin that you may be experiencing. So there's so many benefits to using one of these. You can still use an oil or a balm after if you need to kind of control things, but I think that this is a really, really good staple. This is what it looks like here. You can see how deliciously creamy it is. Look at that. And you just take a little bit of that. I just trimmed my beard earlier this week, so it's usually a bit longer, but regardless, even at this length, I think you can really benefit from one of these because your skin can still get really dry in your beard. So when my beard gets dry, if I'm not using something like this, it's usually around this area, so I tend to focus on that area. But you can put it all the way through your beard and it smells super fresh. Beard hair is gonna be softer, and that's pretty much it. So you can check this product out at shopmasc.com, or if you're in Vancouver, you can come and try it in the store. Thanks for listening.